Hello travelers and dreamers. Whether you're a seasoned jet setter or just starting to explore the world, welcome to our channel. Today we're whisking you away to one of the most glamorous destinations in the south of France, Saint-Tropez. Nestled along the sparkling shores of the French Riviera, Saint-Tropez is a town that has enchanted artists, celebrities and adventurers for centuries. But have you ever wondered where the name Saint-Tropez comes from? Legend has it that the town was named after Saint-Tropez of Pisa, a Roman officer who defied Emperor Nero. His courage cost him his life, and his body was sent adrift on a boat. According to the story, the boat landed right here on these shores. Over time, this little fishing village grew into the Saint-Tropez we know today, a haven of charm and elegance. What's so special about this town? Saint-Tropez is a mix of old-world beauty and modern luxury. Picture cobblestone streets lined with pastel-colored houses, their facades draped in vibrant flowers. Small wooden shutters frame the windows, and every corner feels like it's been painted for a postcard. People come here for different reasons. Some are drawn to the town's peaceful beaches and clear blue waters. Others arrive for the lively harbor, where luxurious yachts gleam under the sun. Artists find inspiration in the light and colors, while visitors from around the world wander its quaint streets, soaking up the unique charm. And the architecture. It's a blend of rustic Provençal style and a hint of seaside glamour. Each house tells a story, and the flowers spilling from the balconies add a touch of romance to every street. So, grab a comfy seat and settle in as we take you on a walking tour through this enchanting resort town. From the historic charm to the vibrant lifestyle, we'll explore it all. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video and click the bell icon to stay updated on all our travels. Ready to explore Saint-Tropez? Let's dive right in. Our journey begins at Place Blanche, a wonderful starting point to dive into the magic of Saint-Tropez. This charming square is home to two remarkable attractions that tell the story of the town's connection to art and cinema. First, you'll find a stunning statue of Brigitte Bardot, crafted by the talented artist Milo Monera. Brigitte Bardot is an icon of French cinema and an enduring symbol of Saint-Tropez's glamorous allure. Her film and God-created woman turned this sleepy fishing village into a global sensation, drawing the eyes of the world to its beauty. The statue is a tribute to her influence and her love for this town, capturing her timeless elegance. Just steps away, in the former gendarmerie building, you'll discover the Museum of the History of Cinema. This fascinating museum is dedicated to French actors and films that were shot right here in Saint-Tropez. As you explore the exhibits, you'll uncover stories from the golden age of cinema, when stars and directors flocked to this picturesque town to create magic on the silver screen. The museum's entrance fee is just €5, a small price for a journey into the world of French film history. Whether you're a movie buff or simply curious, it's a stop that adds a layer of culture and storytelling to your visit. From Place Blanche, we'll stroll along one of Saint-Tropez's most charming streets, Rue General Allard. This lively thoroughfare is a shopper's paradise and a must-visit for anyone who loves a mix of luxury, style and local charm. Lined with chic boutiques, artisan shops and cozy cafes, Rue General Allard is where high-end fashion meets Mediterranean flair. Here you'll find everything from designer labels to unique handmade goods that reflect the region's rich heritage. For those seeking a touch of glamour, the luxury stores offer elegant clothing, accessories, and jewelry that are favorites among the jet-setting crowd. But it's not just about the big names. The street also has delightful local shops where you can discover Provençal fabrics, fragrant soaps, and beautifully crafted souvenirs. Beyond shopping, Rue General Allard is the perfect place to pause and soak up the atmosphere. Take a seat at one of the outdoor cafes, sip on an espresso or a glass of rose and watch the world go by. You might spot a celebrity or two, as this is a favorite spot for the rich and famous who visit Saint-Tropez. Whether you're here to indulge in some retail therapy, hunt for unique finds, or simply enjoy the vibrant street life, Rue General Allard offers something for everyone. It's a delightful mix of old-world charm and modern luxury, and it's easy to see why visitors from all walks of life are drawn here. Let's keep walking, there's even more to explore ahead. Now we've arrived at the Suffren Embankment, one of the most picturesque spots in Saint-Tropez. This charming waterfront promenade is a favorite for locals and visitors alike, offering stunning views of the harbor. Here you'll see a mix of colorful fishing boats and luxurious yachts bobbing gently in the clear waters. It's a perfect representation of Saint-Tropez, where simple maritime traditions meet the glamour of the French Riviera. Take a moment to admire the lively atmosphere. The embankment is lined with quaint cafes and bistros, where you can enjoy a fresh croissant, a café au lait, or even some local seafood while soaking up the scenery. Artists often set up their easels here, capturing the vibrant colors and lively charm of the harbor. You might even find a unique painting or two to take home as a memory of your visit. The Suffren Embankment is the heart of Saint-Tropez's coastal life, a blend of beauty, culture, and tranquility. From the Suffren Embankment, we've now wandered onto the Jean Jouwers Embankment, a lively stretch that perfectly captures the spirit of Saint-Tropez. Here the rhythm of the town comes alive. The embankment is lined with bustling restaurants and inviting terraces, offering a front-row seat to the stunning harbor views. It's the ideal spot to sip a glass of chilled rose or enjoy a plate of fresh seafood while watching the world go by. As you stroll, you'll notice street performers and musicians adding their charm to the atmosphere, creating a joyful energy that makes every visit here feel special. In the evenings, this area transforms into a vibrant hub as the lights of the harbor reflect on the water, and people gather to enjoy the nightlife. It's a favorite spot for both locals and tourists, where everyone can relax and savor the beauty of the Riviera lifestyle. Whether you're here for the food, the views, or just to feel the vibrant energy of Saint-Tropez, the Jean Jouwers Embankment is a place to linger and enjoy. Let's keep exploring, there's more to see just around the corner. Now we've arrived at the charming Hotel de Ville Square, a small yet picturesque gem in the heart of Saint-Tropez. This square is home to the town's elegant town hall or Hotel de Ville, an understated yet historic building that serves as a symbol of Saint-Tropez's rich heritage. Surrounded by quaint cafes and shaded by lush plane trees, the square offers a peaceful spot to pause and take in the local atmosphere. You'll often see locals gathering here enjoying a quiet moment or chatting with friends. The square also hosts events and celebrations throughout the year, adding to its lively spirit. It's a perfect place to feel the authentic soul of Saint-Tropez, away from the glitz and glamour of the harbor. Let's continue our journey deeper into the heart of Saint-Tropez, walking along Sibyl Street and Commerçant Street. These enchanting streets lead us into glamorous alleys filled with charm and surprises. Here the narrow lanes are lined with chic boutiques, hidden art galleries, and inviting little shops offering everything from high fashion to unique handcrafted treasures. It's a paradise for those seeking something truly special to take home. The atmosphere is a blend of sophistication and intimacy, with colorful shutters, flower-filled balconies, and the soft hum of life in the background. As you wander, you'll catch glimpses of luxury mixed with the authentic charm of a Provençal village. These streets are perfect for a leisurely stroll, where every corner invites you to slow down, explore, and take in the beauty of Saint-Tropez. Let's see what awaits us just ahead. Now we find ourselves on Gambetta Street, one of the most picturesque and fascinating streets in Saint-Tropez. This lively street is lined with boutiques, art galleries, and charming restaurants, each adding to the vibrant character of the town. As you walk, take in the beautiful facades with their pastel colors, adorned with cascading flowers. The scent of lavender and fresh pastries fills the air, and there's a delightful energy here that invites you to slow down and savor the moment. At the end of Gambetta Street, something truly special catches your eye: the dome of the Chapel of Mercy. This small yet elegant chapel, with its serene white facade and graceful architecture, is a gem of Saint-Tropez. Built in the 17th century, the Chapel of Mercy was once a place of refuge and aid for the needy. Its name reflects the spirit of compassion that has defined it for centuries. Inside, you'll find simple yet moving decor with a peaceful atmosphere that invites quiet reflection. Legend has it that during a fierce storm long ago, the townspeople prayed at the chapel, asking for divine protection. Miraculously, the storm subsided, sparing the town. Since then, the chapel has been a symbol of hope and faith for the community. Standing here with the dome of the chapel against the blue sky, it's easy to feel the history and heart of Saint-Tropez. Let's take a moment to enjoy this view before we continue exploring. We've now arrived at one of the most iconic spots in Saint-Tropez, the Place des Lices. This lively square is the beating heart of the town, where history, culture, and everyday life come together in perfect harmony. Surrounded by ancient plane trees that provide welcome shade, the Place des Lices has long been a gathering place for locals and visitors alike. By day, it transforms into a bustling open-air market twice a week, where you can find everything from fresh produce and flowers to artisan crafts and Provençal delicacies. The colors, scents, and lively chatter create an unforgettable atmosphere. In the afternoons, you'll often see locals playing pétanque, a traditional French game similar to bocce. Watching them compete, often with a glass of pastis in hand, is like stepping back in time to experience a simpler, more leisurely way of life. As the sun sets, the Place des Lices takes on a different charm. The square comes alive with the hum of nearby cafes and restaurants, where people gather to enjoy fine wine, delicious meals, and the company of friends. Musicians sometimes perform here, adding a touch of magic to the evening. This square is also a favorite spot for celebrity sightings during the summer season. You never know who you might bump into, from famous actors and artists to stylish jet-setters enjoying the Riviera lifestyle. The Place des Lices is more than just a square. It's a place where the spirit of Saint-Tropez truly comes to life. Let's take a moment to soak it all in before we continue our adventure. Now we're making our way up the charming Montigny Ringgrave Street, a quiet and picturesque lane that feels like stepping into a postcard. As we ascend, the cobblestone path is flanked by traditional Provençal houses, their warm, sunlit facades painted in soft shades of ochre, peach, and cream. Many are adorned with wooden shutters and flowering window boxes, spilling vibrant geraniums and bougainvillea into the street. The air here is filled with the scent of jasmine and lavender, carried on a gentle Mediterranean breeze. Along the way, you'll notice small artisan shops and cozy doorways, some leading to hidden courtyards where you might hear the soft murmur of locals enjoying their afternoon. The higher we climb, the more breathtaking the views become. Glimpses of the shimmering sea peek through the rooftops, offering a perfect contrast to the rustic charm of the old town. This street invites you to take your time, admire the details, and feel the timeless essence of Saint-Tropez. Let's continue upwards. There's even more beauty waiting for us just around the bend. We've now arrived at the Aire du Chemin Street, a peaceful and scenic street that offers a perfect blend of Saint-Tropez's rustic charm and architectural beauty. As we walk along this lane, we're surrounded by stunning buildings that showcase the classic Provençal style. The houses here have a warm, inviting feel with their stone walls, terracotta rooftops, and delicate wrought iron balconies. Many are adorned with vibrant flowers, adding a splash of color against the earthy tones of the buildings. There's a timeless elegance to the architecture, and it's easy to feel transported back in time. At the end of the street, our gaze is drawn to the magnificent dome of the Chapel of Mercy, which stands proudly in the distance. From this angle, we can appreciate its graceful design and the soft glow of the white stone against the Mediterranean sky. The chapel, with its peaceful atmosphere and deep connection to the town's history, adds an element of serenity to the vibrant energy of Saint-Tropez. Take a moment to admire the harmony of the architecture here and the beauty of the chapel, as the view unfolds before us. There's something truly special about this part of the town, where every corner holds a piece of history and charm. As we continue down these narrow streets, take a moment to admire the vibrant beauty that surrounds us. The facades of the houses are alive with color, as flowers and lush greenery grow right out of the walls. Bright green ivy weaves around the stone, while bursts of pink bougainvillea spill from balconies. Rich purple wisteria cascades down, creating a soft, fragrant canopy overhead. And don't forget the fiery red geraniums that dot the windowsills, adding their vivid splash to the scene. It's a stunning display of nature blending with the town's architecture, creating a paradise of color and scent that feels both enchanting and timeless. The beauty here is simply magnificent. Each flower seems to tell a story, a little piece of Saint-Tropez's magic. As we continue our walk along these cobbled streets, we're greeted by charming views of hidden alleys opening up to quiet, cozy restaurants. Each one seems to invite you in with its soft lighting, rustic tables, and the warm murmur of conversation. The road surface here, with its smooth, time-worn cobblestones, is a reminder of Saint-Tropez's rich history. These stones have been here for centuries, laid to create durable roads that could withstand the elements and the passage of countless feet, carts, and horses. Walking on them feels like connecting with the past. Above us, colorful flags flutter in the gentle breeze, adding a festive touch to the scene. These decorations often celebrate local events, festivals, or simply the joy of life in Saint-Tropez. They bring a sense of togetherness and charm, making the alleys feel even more welcoming. It's a perfect blend of history, tradition, and vibrant culture. And now we return to the Saint-Tropez embankment for one last look at the yachts moored here. What a breathtaking sight! These magnificent vessels, from sleek modern yachts to classic sailing boats, reflect the glamour and luxury that Saint-Tropez is known for. Each one tells a story of adventure and elegance, glistening under the Mediterranean sun. As we stand here taking in the view, we'd love to hear from you. Where else would you like to travel with us? Let us know in the comments. We're always excited to explore new destinations together. And before we say goodbye, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell. That way you won't miss any of our upcoming adventures. Thank you for joining us, and we can't wait to travel with you again soon.